and I rushed to my laptop. Typed out details of my nightmare. What was the brand name? Come on, Kira. That's it! Then it took a minute to find the logo. But I had to change the colors, fonts, and add a slogan. Damn, I was just forgetting about the layout. Another minute's passed, but at least that's already more than what the nightmare asked for. Wait, what? The whole brand kit? Gotta be kidding me. I can change the color of everything with one click. Business cards, social media posts, stories, and ads. Running out of time. To download the logo, I click Logo Files, and I have format options. Interesting. I stick with the main color and the vertical layout. Look at the file format options. Of course, SVG, editable, lossless format. I think I like it. Send the file and go back to sleep. Shit, I'm always 1 minute late.